Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best skin spray is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any skincare routine, offering instant refreshment and hydration on the go. Whether you're battling dry, flaky patches, looking to set your makeup for a dewy finish, or simply seeking a midday pick-me-up, a good skin spray can be a game changer. It's designed to deliver a fine mist that penetrates the skin, delivering beneficial ingredients that soothe, plump, and revitalize your complexion, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining healthy, glowing skin throughout the day. Number 5. Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. Introducing a facial spray designed to bring new life to your skin. It works to hydrate, rejuvenate, and clarify, leaving you with a refreshed complexion. This versatile mist is suitable for everyone, regardless of skin type. It provides essential moisture and revitalizes your face gently. Experience the power of aloe, herbs, and rose water. These natural ingredients work together to enhance your skin's natural beauty and health. Need a quick pick-me-up? A spritz of this refreshing mist can instantly revitalize your skin. It's perfect for a midday boost or after a long day. This face mist helps to clarify your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. Enjoy a clearer, more balanced complexion with every use. Incorporate this into your daily routine for skin that looks and feels its best. It helps maintain hydration and adds a healthy glow. What we like? This spray is infused with botanical ingredients and rosewater, perfect for a refreshing boost anytime. If you're looking for a daily pick-me-up to hydrate and revitalize your skin, this is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for those who want a gentle, clarifying mist to use throughout the day. What people say? The spray is very fine and covers the face evenly. It leaves a dewy finish without feeling sticky. The mist is refreshing and hydrating, perfect for a midday pick-me-up. Number 4. Avène Thermal Spring Water. Discover the essence of pure hydration. Sourced directly from nature, it offers unparalleled soothing benefits for your skin. Experience immediate relief for sensitive skin. Its gentle formula calms redness and irritation, leaving your complexion comfortable. Incorporate this essential into your daily routine. It helps maintain your skin's natural balance and promotes a healthy glow. Enriched with naturally occurring minerals, it provides vital nutrients. These elements work to fortify and protect your skin barrier. Trust in its proven efficacy for all skin types. It's the perfect ally for achieving calm, hydrated, and radiant skin. What we like? This is pure thermal spring water, known for its soothing and anti-irritating properties. If your skin is easily irritated or you need a simple, calming mist to reduce redness and discomfort, this is the one. It's ideal for sensitive skin or after any skin-compromising procedures. What people say? The spray is fine and it works well. I love the spray bottle design, it is very easy to use. This spray is very effective and I have seen great results. Number 3. Solar Recover After Sun Moisturizing Spray. Introducing our best-selling After Sun Spray, designed to soothe and hydrate your skin instantly. It delivers essential vitamins and botanicals in a lightweight mist that absorbs on contact, leaving your skin feeling refreshed without any greasy residue. Each bottle provides an abundant 2,460 fine mist sprays for head-to-toe application. Mist it onto your face, arms, legs, or any sun-exposed area for immediate, natural hydration and soothing comfort. Experience the unique benefit of lotion delivered as a water-like mist. This innovative formula moisturizes effectively without the heavy feel of traditional lotions, absorbing quickly for a cooling and refreshing sensation. Our product is crafted with all-natural ingredients, free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. It's safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin, children, and adults, making it gentle enough for daily facial use. Proudly made in the USA, this is the perfect thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. It's an ideal way to naturally care for skin after sun exposure. What we like? This product is specifically designed for post-sun exposure, delivering instant relief and hydration. If you've spent time in the sun and your skin feels dry or stressed, this will provide soothing comfort without any sticky residue. It's perfect for beachgoers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants natural sunburn care. What people say? The spray has a fine mist that distributes evenly. It dries quickly without leaving a sticky residue. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly. Number 2. Active Skin Repair First Aid Spray, 3 ounces. Introducing a revolutionary first aid spray designed for rapid skin recovery. Its medical-grade hypochlorous formula is both natural and non-toxic, ensuring a gentle application. Experience the comfort of a no-sting formula. This spray is perfect for soothing minor cuts, wounds, scrapes, and rashes without any discomfort. From minor abrasions to sunburns, this versatile spray provides effective care. It's your go-to solution for a variety of skin irritations. Formulated with natural, non-toxic hypochlorous acid, it promotes healing while being safe for all skin types. You can trust its gentle yet powerful action. This convenient 3 ounces travel size bottle makes it easy to take effective first aid wherever you go. Keep your skin protected and healing on the move. What we like. This is a powerful yet gentle first aid spray that uses medical-grade hypochlorous acid to support skin repair. If you deal with minor cuts, scrapes, rashes, or sunburns and want a non-toxic, no-sting solution, this is your go-to. It's ideal for active individuals or anyone needing reliable, fast-acting skin recovery. What people say. The spray is very fine and covers the face evenly. It leaves a dewy finish without feeling sticky. The mist is refreshing and helps to set makeup. Number 1. Active Skin Repair Baby First Aid Spray. Introducing a revolutionary first aid spray designed specifically for your baby's delicate skin. It offers gentle and effective care for a variety of common skin concerns. Formulated with medical-grade hypochlorous acid, this spray provides a natural and non-toxic solution. It's a powerful yet safe ingredient for your baby's well-being. Experience the soothing relief of our no-sting formula. It's designed to be comfortable for your baby, making application easy and stress-free. This versatile spray is perfect for addressing diaper rash, baby acne, eczema, and minor cuts or scrapes. It's your go-to solution for everyday skin irritations. Its convenient 3-ounce travel size makes it easy to take anywhere. Keep your baby's skin happy and healthy, whether you're at home or on the go. What we like. This gentle formula is specifically created for delicate baby skin, utilizing medical-grade hypochlorous acid for safe and effective care. If you're a parent looking for a natural, no-sting solution for diaper rash, baby acne, or minor irritations, this spray is an excellent choice. It provides peace of mind for your little one's sensitive skin needs. What people say. The spray is very fine and covers the face evenly. It leaves a dewy finish without feeling sticky. The mist is refreshing and helps to set makeup for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.